Hello there, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster. Just absorb what you're looking at for a moment, folks. God, that looks like a weapon and a half. So, this is the 2019 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. It just looks like it's doing 120 miles an hour sat still, doesn't it? What a lovely, lovely looking bike this is. And the condition is immaculate. So like I said, this is 2019. It's got just over 6,000 miles on the clock, 3 service stamps, and the last one was about 700 miles ago, give or take a sniff. But the aggressiveness of this and the styling of this bike is second to none. It is. I've said it before in some of my other videos, no one does bike styling like the Italians. They really don't. So, anyway, let's get back to it before I get carried away. So this bike is fitted with a aftermarket Aprilia exhaust, which sounds beautiful, which we'll get to in a bit. We've got the R&G axle stand, axle bobbins and paddock stand bobbins fitted. We've got the R&G engine bobbins fitted, and we've got the R&G fork bobbins fitted. So someone spent a lot of money with R&G. We've got the bar end mirrors fitted as well. So rather nice on this bike. But the colour scheme, the graphics, everything on this Aprilia really does work. Absolutely fantastic. I think that looks a really pretty bike, that. So yeah, like I say, it's a one owner bike from new. 6,300 miles, 3 service stamps, all the keys, all the books, HPI clear, some real nice extras. I've also got the original exhaust as well. But just such a nice clean bike, really is. It's really been looked after and cherished, this machine. Nice tank pad. Oh, it's got a sat nav bracket thing on there. I'm just going to start this up for you, but check out this dashboard on this. How good is that? Sounds awesome, absolutely awesome, really does. Do like that. That's a nice sounding exhaust, that. Like I say, I do have the original as well. So we will supply this bike with full MOT, a 3-month warranty, and it will go through the workshop prior to coming out for a check over, etc. We can do nationwide or international delivery. Just give me a call for a quote on that, and we can offer finance on this vehicle. And we do work closely with a lot of third-party companies, so if you find your own finance, not a problem at all. If you've got any questions whatsoever, tyres are relatively new as well, I forgot to mention that one, front and rear, plenty of meat left on both of those. Any questions whatsoever, give us a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and view the bike in person, you're more than welcome. I always ask, give us a call before you set off to view any particular bike, just in case it's been reserved, sold, etc. Prior to you arriving. I don't want you to have any wasted journeys. Upon arrival, make sure either myself or Chris grabs you a brew. So, I'm going to stop waffling. Just take that in for a bit longer. That is work of art, absolute work of art. So that's 2019 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. 6,365 miles on the clock, 3 service stamps in the book, in stock today. Before you click off, hit that like button and subscribe, share it with your pals. Lots more videos coming. I've got loads more bikes to get on. I've got to be quicker at this, but I'm not. Skies are relatively blue today. Have a good day, folks. Stay safe out there. Cheers.